welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get a natural-esque wave to your hair. I get this question all the time if I'm wearing hair extensions, and the answer is yes. I'm always wearing hair extensions because I have fine hair. The best part about these things is like you can never tell where they are. Here's my extension right here. It's like one big piece that's sewed in all the way around my head. So because it goes almost like the full circumference of your head, it gives like a very natural appearance. Like there's not like a lot of separation in your hair. My favorite thing about the extension is how they dry, the texture of the hair. You can see that this hair has like a natural like wave to it. When I take the time to do it, it comes out really cute, no products needed, but like this is like 3-day-old hair. So we're gonna just kind of jazz this up and make it look cuter. So I had my hair like this in my last video where it was super wavy, and for that I just used this guy right here. I'm pretty sure that I got this one from Amazon, but you can find 3-barrel wavers basically anywhere, Target, Walmart, CVS. I really like this one because it's like an actual barrel, so to me it gives like a more natural wave than some wavers do. So some wavers to me they kind of look like a little crimpish. To start, I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of heat protectant, mainly on the ends and mainly like around my natural hair. And then I'm just going to separate it. I'm gonna put the top half up first. I leave way more on the bottom than the top. I don't know why, but I do. This is honestly one of the easiest hair tools to use besides a straightener. I always do it with the bottom thing down. Might take a little extra time depending like on how thick your hair is. So just give it like a little sec in there, and then I kind of push it up like that, so it's kind of like cooling in that position. But you honestly don't need to do that. You could go through so fast with this thing, depending on like if you want like a super defined wave or if you just want like a light bend to the hair. This is really great. Sometimes I just go through really fast with this and just give it like a nice little wave. When you first look, I always feel like the first piece I'm just like, excuse me, but it'll look something like this. Just a nice little wave, toss them to the back, and then just be on your way. I can get through doing this probably in like 15 minutes. If I'm not like speaking to anyone or being distracted by the housewives. But I can get through this pretty fast, and I just like that it looks natural. So I'm just gonna keep waving all of this. Watch some housewives while we do this.
Yeah, I know that's the cycle she was in because she was hurt, but to me hurt people shouldn't hurt people. That's when you bring your people closer to you when you're hurting. It's really
So then here's what it looks like after you wave your hair. You can totally leave it like this, or you can go through and maybe smooth out some pieces if you feel like some of them are a little too wavy, like around your face. I personally like to go through and brush it. You can use a pick, you can use a wide tooth comb. I'm gonna use a detangler brush because it's going to not pull so hard on the hair. Just because I like more, like I like big hair. I like it fluffy, I like it big. So I'm just gonna gently go through and brush this. And then this way I can see if I need to wave any more pieces, but I like it like this. And just because it looks like a little like fluffy right now, the waves kind of come back. So that's why I like to just go through and brush it, because they will kind of form with each other again, and I just like this puff over this right here. Give it a gentle brush if you can, if your hair's not as naughty as mine. Give it a little floof. Usually this hair gets tucked back. My ear is so red straight from waving. Again, if you want a more smooth appearance, you don't have to brush your hair out, and you can also hit it with a straightener beforehand, but I just think it looks more natural when there's like a little frizz, a little texture to it. That's just personally my style of hair. Is a little messy. So this is all that I do to kind of achieve this natural-esque wave. I just like doing this on like my second, third day hair because it just gives me a little more time to where my hair actually still kind of looks cute before I have to wash it again. And always, dry shampoo is your BFF if you only wash your hair once a week like I do. So I will link this guy down below for you guys. Again, it's from Amazon, but you can find these things anywhere. And yeah, if ever you see my hair looking like this, 90% chance that I've used the waver on it. The other 10% is I actually took my time and scrunched my hair and didn't lay on it. So most of the time it's the waver. I'm gonna try to be back next Tuesday with a top 10 Tuesday. I just couldn't think of anything that I wanted to talk about today, so I was like, let me wave my hair. So that is it for me. I don't have anything else to tell you guys except I love you, and I will see you super soon in a new video. Bye guys.